that we are picking up on the assault gate. NCW has served notice to Bibhav. The notice was in fact pasted outside Bibhav's residence. They tried giving it to the family members, but we are being told that later they had to paste the notice outside Bibhav's house. Aditi is getting us more details. We also have Akanksha joining us from outside Maliwal's house. But first, Aditi, yes.
Well, Swati, NCW has been after Bibhav Kumar. They had summoned him today, but Bibhav didn't turn up. Now they have pasted the notice outside his residence, asking him to appear on 18th May. This is the information coming in from NCW. The officers of the NCW, along with ACP of Civil Lines, New Delhi, attempted to serve a notice of hearing to Mr. Bibhav Kumar at his residence. When the occupants of the house refused to accept the notice, the officers affixed it on the gate of his residence. The hearing is scheduled for 18th May at the NCW office, and these are the images that have been released by NCW.
Right. Another notice has been asked now to appear tomorrow, that is the 18th. Akanksha is getting us more details. Akanksha, on the other hand, Swati Maliwal put out a post about the video, and she said the hitman is behind this. Now, who's she calling the hitman? Is she talking about Bibhav? Is she talking about the Chief Minister, one wonders?
Well, absolutely right. After she recorded the statement under Section 164 of the CRPC, as she was on the way, she tweeted and she alluded to somebody called Hitman. Now, whether it is Bibhav or somebody else from the Aam Aadmi Party, that remains to be seen. But definitely, as far as slander is concerned, that has already started. Remember, the first day when the assault allegation came to the fore, Aam Aadmi Party did not say anything. On the second day, they did a very hasty press conference and said that action would be taken. On the second and third day, no action was taken. On the fourth day, the PA was seen with the Chief Minister. On the fifth day, that is today, Chief Minister is in Punjab, but he's not talking at all about the case. And this is what is being said has urged Swati Maliwal. And in her post, she has also alluded to this, that this hitman is in fact asking his other people to tweet against Swati Maliwal. So she completely understands that a slander campaign has in fact started against her. And also a video also came to the fore. And after that, we saw that Aam Aadmi Party leader,
right. Akanksha, stay on with us. We in fact spoke to the NCW chief on this issue. Let's listen into what Rekha Sharma said.
So you did take suo motu cognizance the first day this event took place. Now you did send a summon, but Arvind Kejriwal's PA has skipped the summon. What will be the further course of action coming in?
See, second step we have already taken. I've sent a team to serve the notice along with the police. Hopefully he will receive, or somebody in the family will receive personally that notice. And if they will not, we'll be conducting an inquiry, and I'll send the inquiry team over there in his residence and as well as in CM's residence.
Ma'am, despite the fact that these allegations have come to the fore, Arvind Kejriwal has not uttered a word. In fact, he was present in the house. And also the fact that the PA has still been present with Arvind Kejriwal after the incident. What does that reflect?
It shows that he is so insensitive towards women and issues of women, which otherwise he talks big about how sensitive he is. But the fact is that he is totally insensitive, and he doesn't think about anybody's insult or anybody's needs or anybody's how she was beaten up. And she was part of his party to start with. When that party started, that time she was the part of this. So if he cannot care about his own party member, whom will he care? I don't think he only gives freebies and believe in the freebies and talk about free ticket to women, whereas he doesn't even care about the safety and security of his own party members.